Tom Saves the Park, a fun cleanliness story for kids. Tom went to the park with his mom. He had a bag of chips and a juice box. Tom played on the swing and the slide. After eating, Tom threw the chip bag on the grass. A little bird came near the trash. The bird looked sad. Tom's mom pointed to a trash bin nearby. "Trash belongs in the bin," she said. Tom picked up the trash quickly. He put the trash into the bin. The park looked clean again. The bird hopped happily on the grass. Tom smiled proudly. "Let's keep our park clean," said Mom. Tom nodded and threw all his trash properly after that. Now let's do a quiz from the story, Tom and the Clean Park. The first question: what color is Tom's shirt? Tom's shirt is yellow. Great job! The second question: what did Tom drop on the grass? He dropped his empty chip cover. Very good. Question number 3. Who was sad about the litter? The bird was sad about the litter. Great job. Question number 4. Where should trash go? Trash should go in the trash bin. Excellent. Question number 5. How did Tom feel at the end? He felt happy and proud. Great job answering all those questions, kids. Now let's do the next activity. Circle the trash items from the pictures below. A used bag of chips is trash. Very good. A banana peel is also trash. Very good. A used box of juice is also trash. Excellent. And an eaten apple is also trash. Great job. Now let's help Tom reach the bin. Draw a line through the maze. Come on, let's help Tom reach the bin through the maze. Fantastic! Thank you for helping Tom. Number 3. Let's color the happy bird. Beautiful coloring. Now let's count the number of trash bins. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Look, there's another activity. Let's trace the words clean park. Now let's match the items to the bins. The first one is a juice box. A juice box is recyclable, so it goes in the recycle bin. The second one is a banana peel. A banana peel goes in the wet trash. A water bottle is recyclable, so it goes in the recycle bin. A used chip bag goes in the trash. Great job! Now let's go to question 3. Should we throw trash on the ground? Circle the correct answer. Of course, no. Number 4. Draw a picture of keeping the park clean. Wow, that's a great picture. Now let's put the story in order. First, Tom and his mom enter the park. Second, Tom eats his bag of chips and drinks from his box of juice. Third, he puts the trash on the ground. 4. The bird looks sad. 5. Tom picks up the trash. 6. He puts the trash in the trash bin. Now let's color Tom's clean park adventure. We're almost at the end of the video. Tom here has a special message for you all. Always pick up litter you see. Keep nature beautiful. And be a park hero like Tom. Let's always keep our parks clean. You can also download free worksheets from the link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to BrainPopz for more such fun reading videos. Thank you.